Hello friends. Welcome to Library Facts. Today's topic is highly valuable for researchers and students alike. Importance of hypothesis in research. Every research begins with a question, and the possible answer to that question is called a hypothesis. It acts as a guiding light for the entire study. Let's explore why forming a hypothesis is essential in research and how it leads to better focused outcomes. What is a hypothesis? A hypothesis is a tentative statement or assumption made to test its validity through research. In simple terms, it is an educated guess based on existing knowledge. It provides a possible explanation or prediction that can be tested. For example, excessive mobile usage negatively affects students' academic performance. This kind of assumption is what we call a hypothesis. It must be logical, clear, and testable. Provides direction to research. When you begin your research, there are many paths to take. A hypothesis helps you choose the right one. It tells you where the research should head and what should be tested. Without a hypothesis, research becomes scattered, leading to a waste of time and resources. A hypothesis keeps the research organized and focused. Helps in research design. Research design refers to the blueprint of conducting the entire research. The hypothesis helps decide which tools, techniques, and methods should be adopted. It determines sample size, data collection methods, and the type of analysis to be done. This makes the research more scientific and effective. Focuses data collection. Data is crucial in research. A hypothesis helps determine what data to collect and what to ignore. It saves the research from collecting unnecessary information. Thus, we focus only on aspects related to our hypothesis. Saving both time and effort. Simplifies analysis. When a clear hypothesis is present, analyzing data becomes easier. We already know which variables to compare and what kind of outcome we are seeking. This speeds up and sharpens the conclusion process. A hypothesis leads us to purposeful analysis. Basis for estimation and testing. A hypothesis is not just an assumption, it's a scientifically testable statement. Its aim is to prove or disprove the assumption. It is tested through statistics, surveys, or experiments. This gives the research authenticity and validity. Source of new knowledge. Often, when testing a hypothesis, the outcomes are completely different from our assumptions. That's where new knowledge emerges. Research that begins with a hypothesis contributes to society, science, or technology. Thus, it also becomes a medium of innovation and discovery. Helps identify problems. A hypothesis helps researchers delve deep into problems. It points out which aspect needs serious attention. It gives a targeted focus to the research process. Even vague issues become clear and analyzable. Saves time and resources. When the research direction and topic are clear, time is saved. Hypothesis helps researchers avoid collecting irrelevant data or conclusions. It ensures the optimal use of limited resources. Thus, a hypothesis is the key to effective and economical research. Promotes objective research. Hypothesis helps keep research free from personal opinions or biases. It ensures objectivity. Researchers rely only on facts and figures. This results in more scientific and trustworthy conclusions. Enhances validity and reliability. Research based on a hypothesis can be replicated. If other researchers follow the same method, they can reach similar conclusions. This increases the validity and reliability of the study. Such research gains more recognition in the academic world. Similar conclusions. This increases the validity and reliability of the study. Such research gains more recognition in the academic world. Aids in making predictions. Hypothesis helps us predict future outcomes. Example: if more ebooks are added to the library, the number of users will increase. Thus, it helps in policy making, planning, and understanding future trends. Role in teaching and educational research. In the education, hypotheses are very useful. They are used to evaluate teaching methods, students' learning styles, and curriculum effectiveness. Mainly there are two types: null hypothesis. H states there is no difference or relationship. Alternative hypothesis. H suggests there is a difference or relationship. Every hypothesis originates from a research question. That question determines the direction of the study. Avoid vague hypotheses. A good hypothesis must be measurable, clear, and testable. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel Library Facts. Thank you.